Hello, garden buddies. Welcome to another edition of Gardener on a Mission with me, Tony, the tiny gardener. Today's going to be a little quick video just planting these 5 coneflowers that I got from that online service called Bluestone Perennials. It's here in Northeast Ohio. I just went and picked them up, but it's online, all they do, I think. And they had a sale. They have sales a lot, and they had a sale. And I picked up 5 of these Echinacea called Lemon Drop. Hope you can see that. And it's coneflower, bright yellow petals draped below a full powder puff center in the summer. It's a double. Looks like a, I'll show you, because you can see these are small, so there's nothing on them yet. And I haven't been a very good plant parent. Almost, I hope I hadn't let them die. Some of them, a couple of them aren't looking too good. But Bluestone Perennials packs them in this. This is the way they come to you. And all you have to do is put the whole thing in the ground. You can cut this little piece of plastic holding it together. You can just cut that off. Should have had scissors because this isn't going to work. See if my hoary knife will do it. No, I will. Just pull it off. Yeah, I'll just do it like that. But I'm going to put these right here, these 5 in this area. It says plant them 18 to 24 inches apart. So that's what we're going to do in this video. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I truly appreciate it. I hope you're having a good day. I know my videos haven't been very frequent. That's just a byproduct of my health again. I also know you can see some weeds in here. I've already been pulling stuff. And I got this quack grass. As I said in other videos, don't want you to have, wouldn't wish that on my worst enemy. Because once that stuff is, I mean, it is just a constant. It's got those runners go underground and you pull them, and if you leave one little blade or one little piece, you'll still have quackgrass. Don't know where it came from, but once you get it, I feel for you because it's pretty much there. All right, we're going to start with the first one right here. And, pull back some of the mulch. Yeah, there's not much there, it doesn't look like, huh? Put this one in this hole. And you can see all these roots right here from that quackgrass. They just go everywhere. And it's a nightmare to get rid of. Well, I don't know if you can get rid of it once you get it, to be honest with you. You just are always pulling. Put our biotone starter fertilizer in there. Just set the whole thing in. And put the good old compost back around it. And there you have it. I don't want it quite that low because I'm going to be putting mulch down. So there's one. Now the beauty about this hoary knife, it's got measurements on it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inch, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I can go there, and there's 12 inches right there, next hole. It says 18 to 24 inches apart. I like to put things, I like to crowd things a little. There is a little bulb of something. So we'll do I'm going to do 12 to 18 inches, especially since they're this tiny. And I like to do a lot of moving around. Probably won't have it right where I want it anyway. So, you know, here we go. Wish I had a pair of scissors. That's all you have to do is cut this little thing off and put it in the ground. You're in business. There you have it. Hope your summer's going well, or your spring. Not quite officially summer yet, are we? Not till June the 21st or something like that. All right, let's put one kind of right here. And pull back the mulch. A little bit more mulch here. Speaking of pulling it back, I got to put it back up here. Back around that one. So this is, like I said, these were on sale, half price. For their, it's just a sale they were having. I check that little website quite often. As you can see, these aren't full-grown plants, so that's part of the reason I want to buy them. If I buy from them, I try to get their sale stuff, because honestly, paying $20 for this, $18 for something that size, I don't know. But $9, okay, $8. Should have had some scissors. Another example of Tony not thinking far enough ahead. I do that quite often, don't I, guys? You can see I'm also wearing glasses this time. I have to keep pushing those up. Another part of my health. I'm just falling apart in my old age, I guess. AFib, eyesight. All right, there's that one. Okay, 2 more of these. Let's see here. Put one right here. I don't know who's missing. This one right here, I guess. Again, it's called Echinacea coneflower. I haven't forgotten about you, Adra, either. Although I have all of my coneflowers that we did last year. They're all coming up. Some of them actually even already blooming. I got this Cheyenne, I think it was the Cheyenne Spirit right here that was all gold. It's got flowers on it already. However, out of all those coneflowers I planted last year, the only 2 varieties that I haven't seen anything coming through the ground yet are the Tres Amigos, those Tres Amigos. Haven't seen those at all. And the Sangrita that I was sending you seeds for them. I've got the seeds, I'll send them to you, but haven't seen them coming up. So I don't know if you're going to have much luck with those, but we'll see. And I'll give you some more this fall. Oh, I should have got the scissors. Oh, Tony, think ahead, think ahead. There we go. These little, makes it easy to plant them. Kind of like this little way they do it here. All right, one more of those, and that'll be, then I have to water them in. Well, don't have to, but I guess if I want them to make it, I do. There you see a bunch more of that quackgrass root. That stuff just, once you get it, you got it. I'm also got some thistle problems. Thought I had those beat out, but everybody says, I had a landscaper here a few weeks ago helping me do some weeding. And he said, you're not the only one, man. He said, everybody's having this issue this year. Let's see here, pull this one down. And these definitely need to be watered in because this little thing here is getting kind of dry. Use root pound. Put the biotone starter fertilizer in the hole. All right, guys. There's that. Those 5 are in. And we will get them watered in. That's it for this video. This one, I'll be doing some more videos. Got a lot of things to plan already. And I still got to do my mailboxes for this year. So thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm not Gary Clark or Clark Gable or anybody. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Man, I said it's going to be short. 12 minutes. All right, that's enough. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you in the next one. Arrivederci.